Let me show you how to create this title intro animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Go to your Adobe Premiere Pro software. Then click on your project panel to import your clip. Drag your clip onto your timeline to create a sequence. I'm going to cut my clip around here to reduce its duration by pressing Ctrl K on my keyboard and delete the remaining half. I'm going to duplicate my clip by clicking Alt and dragging it onto the next track. I'm going to hide this clip. I'm going to select the one above. I'm going to create a mask. Create a mask using your pen tool. You can see on your opacity effect control. Click on this pen tool icon to create a mask. You can see that as I clicked on this, it's created a mask, but nothing is being shown yet because I have to select where I want my mask to be. So I'm going to click and drag my pen tool over this body of ocean, over this ocean of water. Let's click and drag. If you find it difficult to use the pen tool, it's the same way the pen tool works in other Adobe software. I'm going to reduce my preview size to be able to draw my mask around my selected region. I'm going to overwrite this track. I want to move this track. Okay, I'm going to move this track above, one track above. I'm going to click on my text tool, put my preview to fit. I'm going to type this text. Golden designs. Click on your essential graphics panel. Align your text to the center of your composition. Bring your text in between the two clips. Adjust the duration to the duration of the two clips. Go to your effect control. Find your text controls and click on this drop down arrow. Locate your position control. So this is our position control. This is for the Y position. Click on this stopwatch to create a keyframe. Drag your playback a few frames forward. Decrease your Y position to bring the text to view the text out of the ocean of water. It's going to create a keyframe for you automatically. So let's play this back. So if your PC is struggling to give you a preview of this composition, put your playback preview to about 1/4, and if your PC is quite good enough, you can put it to full, which will give you a full quality preview. But mine is actually struggling, so I put it to about 1/4. So click on your mask, increase your mask feather to about 20, and that's it. Let's click on home to go to the beginning of your clip, and click on paste back to play. And here's how to create this wonderful intro animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. And here's our result. Thank you for watching.